Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10-line essay on Republic Day. This content can also be written under the topic 10 lines on Republic Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, Republic Day is a national festival of India. Second line is, Indians celebrate this day on 26 January every year. Third line is, this day marks the adoption of the Constitution of India. Fourth line is, on January 26, 1950, India became a democratic nation. Fifth line is, equal rights were served to each Indian irrespective of their caste, creed, and religion. Sixth line is, the Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world. Seventh line is, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the main person behind drafting the framework of the Indian Constitution. Eighth line is one of the major attractions of this day is the parade, which begins at Rajpath in New Delhi. Ninth line is the national flag of India, Tiranga, is unfurled in each state of India. Last line, that is line number 10, is Indians celebrate this day with much zeal and enthusiasm.